Filipino words from Spanish, Part 6, parol. The word parol comes from the Spanish farol, which simply means lantern, as in an ordinary lantern, not even necessarily Christmas related. But Filipinos adopted the word as parol and applied it to the iconic Christmas decoration, the bright star-shaped ornament, even when it's not bright or shining, aguinaldo. The word aguinaldo comes straight from the Spanish aguinaldo. In Spanish, it refers to a Christmas gift or a holiday bonus in general. But in Filipino culture, it became the money that children would receive during Christmas, especially from their godparents, from their ninongs and ninangs. Bisperas. Bisperas comes from the Spanish word vísperas, meaning the eve or the night before. In Filipino, it became bisperas, our word for the day before the big event, like bisperas ng Pasko or bisperas ng Bagong Taon. Galing no? Follow for more!